KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, another very hot one today. New Iberia tying a record high of 97. Lafayette setting a record maximum minimum. Our low this morning, 79 degrees, and it was hot out there today. But building cumulus clouds, and sometimes you'll see this alto cumulus developing, or sometimes it's cirrocumulus. That's usually a good sign that there's some colder air aloft and a little instability, and that's what's been igniting the storms late this afternoon, plus that high daytime heating. In fact, as we take a look at the radar satellite composite, we have a good scattering of showers and storms this afternoon, a little bit higher than what we were thinking forecast-wise. We were going about 20% for today, and it's looking more like a 30, perhaps 40% day, especially if you got into western portions of Acadiana, where we're seeing some locally heavy storms right now. The ones across Jeff Davis Parish and back to the west are diminishing a little bit, but still a pretty strong storm north of Lake Charles, Calcasieu Parish, and into southwestern Beauregard Parish. Then we get into Acadia Parish, some very heavy downpours here. And where you see the magenta, maybe a little bit in the way of pea-sized hail. You can see all the cloud ground lightning. You're probably picking up about an inch or two of rain in spots, but I'm not expecting any widespread flooding. But you can see right at this hour, very heavy rainfall right over the Rain area, Rain I-10 exit up through Highway 98. And then as you get into the heart of Acadia Parish and southwest of the Church Point area, most of the activity in Lafayette quieting down and drifting a little bit to the west, but still the risk of those storms early this evening across any portion of Acadiana. And we have a couple of other isolated storms as we get into St. Mary Parish. You can see this activity building westward and intensifying a little bit. So perhaps Franklin seeing a little bit of a storm in about a half hour, 45 minutes time. But things quieting down later on tonight, and it is quiet across the Gulf of Mexico as we take a quick look at the tropics. This is the remnant moisture of Isaac moving across the Yucatan, heading into the Bay of Campeche, but no issues there, nor with the storms that are in western Cuba. And off to the west, there is a little bit of a swirl the National Hurricane Center is going to keep an eye on, but right now it's bucking up against drier air that's out ahead of it. In fact, that African dust we talked about earlier in the week still moving westward. Will move through the Caribbean over the next couple of days, maybe Florida, but will gradually dissipate in the Gulf of Mexico as we get later in this week and into this weekend. We don't think it's going to have an impact on our local weather, but we do think as we look at the European model going into the weekend, rain chances on the upswing Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll see a good scattering of showers and storms, and it stays on the wet side much of next week. But lo and behold, this is the European model. Now the GFS model is a little bit faster, but we've had a front on the radar down the line, 9 or 10 days down the line. But finally, it looks like cooler weather if we keep our fingers crossed. But again, it will be nice and cool for maybe a day or two. But as we know, in September, October, those fronts and that cool air doesn't last long. But something to look forward to for sure. Near term, things quiet down tomorrow morning, maybe a little patchy fog in the morning, and then mostly sunny skies going to partly cloudy conditions at lunchtime, and then those scattered showers and thunder showers marching northward with the daytime heating. Things quiet down by this time tomorrow evening, and we do it all over again on Friday. Rain chances next couple of days in the 30 to 40% range. So storms diminishing early this evening. Another sultry night ahead. 77, 78 the low tomorrow. 93 the high. Not quite as hot, but thanks to the scattered showers and thunderstorms. So that should limit our highs a little bit tomorrow. And then as we go later in the week and into the weekend, notice those rain chances on the upswing. That should hold us in the upper 80s, and overnight lows cool just a little bit. But as we look toward the end of that 10-day forecast, maybe some nice looking weather, not this weekend, but the weekend after, with highs perhaps as low as the mid to upper 70s, and lows could duck down into the upper 50s to lower 60s, but we'll reserve judgment on forecasting temperatures 9 or 10 days out, because it will change more than likely.
Something to look forward to,
yes,
though.
Exactly.
Thanks, Rob.
Still ahead on KATC, a former LSU wide